Turning again to the forecast, hazy skies tonight as Canadian wildfire smoke lingers over Chicago. Tomorrow, we are looking at warmer weather and the possibility for storms. Chief Meteorologist Ramon is tracking it all from the First Alert Weather Sphere. Albert.
Hi, Erica. Got a little bit of break from the wildfire smoke here over the weekend, but it's come back in a big way. I want to show you this live camera. This is from Midway, and this really kind of tells the story of the milky sky that we've had all day today. The wildfire smoke, for the most part, is above our heads by several thousand feet, so only a little bit of it is reaching the ground, so it's moderate air quality. We'll have a little bit more wildfire smoke for tomorrow. But you mentioned the big warm-up tomorrow, low to mid-80s today, upper 80s to near 90 for tomorrow, thanks to some very strong winds coming in out of the southwest, gusting around 40 miles per hour. That's going to lead to a thunderstorm chance as we head towards tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. A few thunderstorms late tomorrow could even be on the stronger side, especially to the west of Chicago. Overall, though, Wednesday looks to come in with the best chance of rain. Mainly in the morning hours. It's wet, it's cooler in the 60s on Wednesday, and the look at the rainfall projections on one of our weather computers, 1 to 2 inches of rainfall will be possible, and a lot of this is going to fall throughout the day on Wednesday. Another live camera, this is from the Hancock looking off towards the south, showing that reduced visibility right now, especially as you head out in the distance with that wildfire smoke that's going to linger with us for the next couple of days. But we do get some refreshing air in the forecast by Wednesday with some of that cool rain air. Here's a look at the highest concentration of smoke right now, coming out of Canada and right into Illinois. But again, most of this suspended above our heads, and only a little bit of it is mixing down. Some moderate air quality for tonight and also for tomorrow. Some light areas of smoke tomorrow morning, and then the model data really suggesting some heavier areas of smoke. And again, some of this could reach the ground tomorrow evening, especially Kankakee River Valley into northwest Indiana. And then finally, getting some refreshing air off of Lake Michigan as we head towards your Wednesday afternoon. Temperatures right now, this is about the warmest we've been all day today. Believe it or not, the hazy sunshine with that wildfire smoke not allowing the temperature upper 80s to near 90 today. Instead, we're in the mid 80s right now, 85 at Midway, 84 right now at O'Hare, with a lot of sunshine, just that milky sky with that wildfire smoke. High pressure here off towards the east of us that's moving away from us. Look at all the action out here towards the west. That is a look at thunderstorm activity that will ramp up, especially Tuesday night into Wednesday. So the rain chance not big during the daylight hours tomorrow. It's a hotter day, upper 80s to near 90 degrees, and a few storms start to build in out of the west. The best opportunity of rain, though, enters the picture as we head into your Wednesday morning. Again, 1 to 2 inches of rainfall will be possible. Some lingering opportunities of rain for your Thursday and Friday with highs back in the 70s. A mainly dry Saturday and a few more showers that will be in the mix with temperatures near 80 degrees as we head towards your Sunday. Erica, back to you.
All right. Thank you, Albert.